Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. 6 main secrets of an ideal sauce. Some dishes do not require any additions, except for a glass of good wine. In others, despite the perfect combination of ingredients, you will always be missing something. During cooking or before serving, these dishes must be supplemented with sauces, gravies and dips. Liquid seasoning will advantageously shade the dish and give it a complete taste. Initially, sauces were used to at least somehow diversify the taste of the same dishes or make them digestible. Over time, the priority shifted towards taste, and the main purpose of the liquid seasoning was to give the dish a rich and bright taste. Sauce is a serious dish, and the approach to its preparation should be appropriate. Here are 6 tips, following which you will be able to bring your culinary skills to prepare sauces to a new level. Dishes. The quality of the dishes used is as important as the quality of what you put there. When preparing sauces and sauces-heavy pans and pans with thick walls, just what you need. Light and very thin products will only contribute to a faster heating, which ultimately leads to intense evaporation of the liquid or the burning of the ingredients. Fire. Virtually no sauce can do without garlic or onions. In most recipes, they are recommended to brown until golden brown and soft. To achieve the desired color and texture, it is important at the outset to correctly set the fire. If the flame is too large, the vegetables will quickly become obsolete and only a charred mass with a pronounced burnt taste will remain from the base of the sauce. Our goal is a balanced background taste, and it can only be obtained using slow fire. Fresh ingredients. The use of garlic powder, granulated onion, lyophilized basil and other additives cannot be called a culinary crime. Do you want to enjoy all the tastes of the sauce and dish? Then forget about jars and bags with dubious contents. All the ingredients of the sauce should be natural. The only exceptions are tomatoes and herbs. As an alternative, instead of the first not in season, the use of good canned tomatoes is allowed. Fresh herbs can be replaced dry. Add them at the very end of the sauce preparation so that they do not lose flavor and color. Destructuring. After frying of this or that ingredient on the walls of the dishes remain its pieces. They can also be included in the composition of the sauce, and at the same time make its flavor more intense. After you finish frying, for example, onions, add a little wine, broth or even plain water to the frying pan and carefully remove the onion residues from the walls by adding them to the sauce. This small culinary retreat will make the taste of the sauce richer. Additions. If the main dish contains meat, then it can also be used to make the sauce a deeper flavor. Meat with interlayer of fat or cuts with bone is best suited, where, as we know, there is usually a lot of collagen. The latter will give a gravy sauce, and the fat will add flavor to the sauce. If it does not strongly contradict the recipes of the dish, you first need to lightly fry the meat. And then get it out of the frying pan and put into it the components of the sauce, onion, garlic, tomatoes, broth and any other ingredients. Reserve. A good, tasty sauce takes time. But the opportunity to cook it every week is not always. You can, of course, still decide on a culinary crime and add ketchup and mayonnaise to the dish, but there is a much more delicious way. Next time before preparing the sauce, try to increase the number of ingredients used. The remaining sauce is spread over small containers and put into a freezer. Thus, when you do not have time to prepare the sauce, you can simply get it from the freezer, defrost it and add it to the dishes without compromising taste. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.